Welcome to Askify, Questions and Answers app, your perfect tool to boost customer engagement and sales by addressing questions directly on product pages. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Askify, explore its powerful features, and add a Q&A block to your product pages. Once you've installed the Askify app, setup is quick and easy. You can start by customizing your settings to fit your store's needs. Navigate to the app dashboard from your Shopify administration. In the settings, you can decide whether all visitors or only logged-in customers can ask questions, and set up notifications for when new questions are posted. To display the Q&A section, head over to Customize. From there, select Home Page or any product page, click Add Block, select Apps, and choose the ACQA block. It's that easy to add a dedicated Q&A section to your pages. Askify also supports multiple languages, allowing you to engage with a diverse customer base in their preferred language. As an admin, you can post and manage questions and answers, publishing them as FAQs to address common queries. You have full control to edit, approve, or remove them, keeping your Q&A section relevant and helpful. Customize the look and feel of the Q&A section, adjusting its appearance to seamlessly match your store's design. Here's how it looks from a customer's perspective. When they land on a product page, they can simply click on the Q&A section to ask their questions directly. Once a question is submitted, it will appear on the product page, providing valuable insights to other buyers from real customer inquiries. As the store owner, you'll receive a notification when a new question is posted, allowing you to respond promptly and build customer confidence. Looking to integrate email notifications with Askify? We offer marketing email integration, allowing you to set up notifications with multiple email service providers to keep your customers informed and engaged. As your Q&A grows, the app serves as an invaluable resource for future visitors, answering common queries and helping to reduce cart abandonment. Get started with Askify today to boost customer trust and engagement. Add a Q&A section to your product pages with ease and answer real-time questions to drive more confident purchases. Visit AppifyCommerce.com to learn more.